Hello, everyone. My name is Bryson Gregg. I go to the Citadel, which is a military college in South Carolina, as you can see right here and right here. Citadel. I've got my beanie on because it's chilly here right now. It's December 6th, 2020. So I'm not really sure when you'll be seeing this, but hopefully you enjoy it. Today I'm going to be reading The Night Before Summer Vacation by Natasha Wing, illustrated by Julie Durrell. So there it is. All right, let's get started. 'Twas the night before leaving on summer vacation. My family was bursting with anticipation. Dad made a checklist, which checked as he went: the bug spray, the backpacks, the umbrella, and the tent. There's the dad. Mom grabbed the graham crackers and stuff for the s'mores. Yum. We carried out helmets, the canoe, and the oars. Remember my raft, my snorkel and bike, plus Pete's doggy bowls and Jimmy's new trike. Down from the attic our suitcases came. Mom whistled and shouted as if reffing a game. In bathing suits, in flip-flops, in sunblock, in hats, in flashlight, in lounge chairs, and wiffle bats. On the top of the pile, on the top of the heap. Now pack away, 5 layers deep. It's a whole lot of bags. We stuffed and we filled every inch of the shell like a water balloon. It started to swell. Done with our packing, we ate dinner at last. Then we got out the scrapbooks of vacations past. There were photos of us at the Museum of Toasters, and my father and I riding fast roller coasters. Here's Jimmy on Babe, and me with Paul Bunyan. And there's Mommy beside the world's largest onion. There's the Museum of Toasters and the world's largest onion. That looks pretty big. We laughed about trips we'd taken before. Well, 1 week at the beach, it did nothing but pour. It was so cold that we all wore fleeces, but we finished the puzzle with 2,000 pieces. At last it was time to climb into our beds, where visions of marshmallows danced in our heads. Marshmallows, huh? In the morning Dad shouted, "Get up, rise and shine. It's 4:15. Let's leave here on time." Then a few moments later there arose such a clatter, we ran to the window to see what was the matter. When what do our wondering eyes should appear but Dad, the camper, in the long trail of gear. He chuckled and said, "Let's hit the road before our camper decides to explode." We all squeezed in, then drove down our street. I suddenly cried out, "Yikes, we forgot Pete!" Dad made a U-turn, and Pete jumped inside. There's Pete right there, the little pup. Now we were ready for the 10-hour ride. I heard Jimmy ask as we drove out of sight, "Mommy, are we there yet?" She said, "With luck, by tonight." And that's the end. So that concludes this book, The Night Before Summer Vacation. I hope that you enjoyed listening to me read it, and I hope that this video finds you well. Um, I hope that everyone stays safe with everything going on right now, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope you get cool presents from Santa Claus. So thank you very much, and good luck to you.